Hello, Derry. Good to have you back. Good to have you back. Oh, yes, today, as you all know, I bring you tips, educational tips, not just about food on my channel. Okay, today, let me quickly show you how I preserve my pap when there is no light. Because truly, in my estate, we don't have light in my area for over 3 months now. And being mother of four, whom the kids likes to take pap, like every other day, I had to think of what to do. And that I remembered what my mom was doing in the olden days. My mom was she told us that if you want to preserve your pap, of which we saw her doing then, you do it in this formula. Okay, today as you watch this video, I hope it will help you preserve your pap in a way that you come back and say thank you. All right, so me, after making my pap, going through all the process, I have to transfer it in a very neat container that has cover. I have to make sure the container has cover in order not to let in any debris or dirt or whatever it is. So by the time you put it like this, add clean water, cover it, make sure the water is being changed every other day. Every morning you change the water. That way this pap can last up to 2 months without fridge. Try it and thank me. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.